Hi, I'm Simon. Welcome to Retro Computing Reboot. I thought I'd do a video of some of the things that I've dug out of the loft, and I'll be doing a video on each of them. Do an unboxing, see if they work, if they don't work, can I get them working, that sort of thing. I'll show you what I've found, which I hope you like. So this is what I've got found out of my loft, which I used to play with, spread across my desk. I'm planning on doing a video on each, get them out of the box, try get them working if they're not working, and let you enjoy seeing them in all the glory, hopefully. Swords and Serpents, Scrabble even. BMX Flyer. We've then got a very old Casio M1 calculator. We've got Galaxy Invader 1000, Scramble, Super Kong, Cue Ball endorsed by Alex Higgins, marvellous. Upside down there we've got Demon Driver. We also have Grandstand Invader from Space. Pac-Man rip-off at the back there, Munchman. We've then got the big box of Frogger, and on top we've got a Game & Watch Dracula. So I hope you'll really enjoy the upcoming videos where we open them up and hopefully get to play with them. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the videos as I do them.